Okay, today I'll show you how to connect speaker wires in Ubon's speaker bar. So first of all, I've already opened this, so you also open it, and here you'll see different jumper wire connected with each other. So first of all, detach this. Make your soldering iron ready for soldering. Now just detach this. Okay, and same for the other one. Now I have detached these. So my speaker is not working when I connect to these two pads. So it creates problem like it stops in the middle of playing songs. So I'll connect this negative wire to this one. So to hold this one, I have used double tape. You can use other method or the clipper to hold this circuit board. So for me it is working fine. So let's connect this. Give a gentle blow so that it will dry quickly. Be careful, the solder must not go on the other pad or short with the other pads. So left speaker, I'll solder the tip so that it will get connected properly. Now left speaker positive terminal to left speaker positive one. Okay, this. Now right speaker positive terminal to left speaker positive terminal. So you can see the connection. If you are facing similar problem, so you can try this one, or in your case it might be different connection pads. So these are called connection pads. So in your case might be connecting to these one will work, so try. So I just tweaked around and it works fine. So let's test it. I'll turn on the switch. You will hear sound. Previously the sound is going in the middle, but now it will not show that problem.
Life may lie in music, music may lie in life. Ubon, born to be free.
Okay. Recently
the Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And now I'll connect my mobile to this device. So wait, you will also hear that Bluetooth devices.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, I'll play song. Fine, so this way you can solve your Ubon S-70, this one.